Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something we all experience but may not think about much: how chemistry is used daily. From the food we eat to the air we breathe, chemistry is everywhere, shaping the world around us and keeping us going. Let's break it down step by step and discover how fascinating it really is. Chemistry in the kitchen. Let's start in the kitchen, one of the most chemistry-packed places in your home. Cooking is essentially a series of chemical reactions. For example, when you bake bread, yeast ferments sugar, producing carbon dioxide gas that makes the dough rise. Ever tried a science experiment with baking soda and vinegar? That fizzing reaction is the same process at work when you clean drains. The vinegar, an acid, reacts with baking soda, a base, to release carbon dioxide and clear blockages. Amazing, right? Chemistry in cleaning. Next, let's talk about cleaning. Soap and detergents work because of their unique molecular structure. The molecules have two ends, one that's hydrophilic, meaning it loves water, and one that's hydrophobic, meaning it repels water but sticks to grease. When you wash your hands or dishes, the hydrophobic end grabs onto oils and dirt, while the hydrophilic end binds to water, carrying the grime away. Disinfectants, like bleach, use chemical reactions to break down bacteria and viruses, keeping us safe and healthy. Chemistry in personal care. Chemistry is also behind the products we use to take care of ourselves. Toothpaste contains fluoride, which strengthens enamel by forming a protective layer of calcium fluoride on your teeth. Shampoo contains surfactants that lift dirt and oil from your hair, while lotions often use emulsifiers to mix water and oils for a smooth texture. Even the scents in these products are carefully crafted using chemical compounds. Chemistry in medicine. Ever wonder how medicines work? They're a result of meticulous chemical engineering. Pain relievers like aspirin block enzymes that produce pain-causing chemicals in your body. Antibiotics attack bacterial cells while leaving human cells unharmed. Vaccines. They trigger your immune system to recognize and fight specific pathogens. All of this is thanks to chemistry. Chemistry in the air. Even the air around us is filled with chemical processes. For instance, oxygen supports life through respiration, while plants take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen during photosynthesis. On the flip side, air pollution, like carbon monoxide and nitrogen oxides, is also a chemical issue that we're working to tackle using chemistry. Chemistry in technology. Did you know your gadgets wouldn't work without chemistry? Your phone's battery relies on chemical reactions to store and release energy. Lithium-ion batteries, for example, use the movement of lithium ions between electrodes to power your devices. Chemistry is also key in making the materials used in screens, circuits, and more. Chemistry in textiles. From natural fibers like cotton and wool to synthetic ones like polyester and nylon, textiles are a product of chemistry. Synthetic fibers are made through polymerization, a process where small molecules called monomers link together to form long chains. Chemistry also helps create water-resistant or stain-repellent finishes on fabrics. Chemistry in agriculture. Farming and gardening also rely on chemistry. Fertilizers supply essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium to plants, boosting growth. Pesticides and herbicides protect crops from pests and weeds, ensuring a stable food supply. Even composting is a chemical process where organic matter breaks down into nutrient-rich soil. So there you have it. A glimpse into how chemistry is deeply woven into our daily lives. From the food we eat to the gadgets we use, chemistry plays a vital role in making life better, easier, and healthier. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content. And tell me in the comments, what's your favorite example of chemistry in daily life? Thanks for watching, and see you next time.